Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku. And additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, January the 21st, 2025. And I've already solved three puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. So one puzzle is left. It's the Jigsaw Sudoku, a.k.a. Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it Cyberblock, in Japanese, Suguru. And this one will be number 9950. Well. After this puzzle, we have 50 puzzles to go, because when I hit the 10K, then I will stop with uploading with the puzzles. The end is near, yeah. All right. Before I start, I always count up printed digits. This one has 14 printed digits. The hard one says always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 14. Could be an easy one, could be a hard one, but I don't think it's an easy one. Anyway, the publisher has indicated this with the 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more. Alright, is this video 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Only one single box. Always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see only one dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 and the 2. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see here a triple box. The 3 is already given, so the 1 and the 2 are left. Let me mark those. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box here, box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Well, the 4 is already given, so this box should be also 4 or a 5. Okay. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. No quadra boxes in this puzzle. Well, then the following step. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only one. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 5 here. Alright. Do we have more T-shapes? No. Oh, I overlooked this dual box. The 1 is already given, so this box should be a 2. Overlooked. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. We have more L shapes here, another one but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Only 2 L shapes. Then the following shape, how about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is, why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be 4. These 2 boxes can be 3. So the 4 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this area are the numbers 1 and the 2. 1 and 2, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes at there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left and 2 in this area. It's supposed to be there. Then I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Then 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 1 and 3, we have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left with 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 4. Is also connected with that box, should be also a 4. 4 or a 5, we have a 4 now, so this box should be a 5. Then, well, these 2 boxes can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that these 2 boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here or here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes can be 2, but also these 2 boxes can be a 3. So the 2 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. So the other pair in this area are numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5. That box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. And these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So the 4 goes together with the 5 as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. That means we have a double 4 there. That means that this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 3. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left with 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3. Alright. And now. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2. We have a double 2 there. Can be 3. We have a double 3 there. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. This box can be a 1, so the 1 in this L-shaped area could be here, could be there. That means that these 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. That box can be a 1, and these 2 boxes can be 1. So the only place left with 1 in this area is supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, we already have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left with a 2 in this L-shaped area. It's supposed to be there. 2 numbers left now in this L-shaped area for the numbers 1 and the 5. We have 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, 5 goes there. This box can be 5, that box can be 5, so 1 box left with 5 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Then these 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. It's supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. Then. Let me see. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. No 2, 2, okay. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 1 and 5. Let me mark those 1 and 5, 1 and 5. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. And you need a 5 here. Could be everywhere. Well, need to think. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. I'm stuck here. Well. No 1. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1. Can be 2, we have a double 2 there. Can be 3, we have a double 3 there. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4 is connected with that box. Should be also 4. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 now, so this can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 4. We have a 4 now, so this can't be 4 anymore. That box should be 4, and I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 5. Then I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 2. 1 in the 1 or a 2. I think this box should be a 3 because wait. No, one conclusion. 2 and 3. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be 1, we have a double 1 there. And that box can be a 1, we have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there, but we already have a 1 here, so this can't be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, is connected with that box should be so 1. 1 and the 2, we have 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 now, so this can't be 1 anymore. That box should be 1, so 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Okay. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. 3 and 5. But here we have a 4 and a 5. We have a 5 here, so this can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. This box should be a 3. 4 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 1 box left now in this area for number 2. 1, 2, yes. That means that these 2 boxes can be 2, and that box can be a 2, so 1 box left for 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there, is connected with that box, so 3. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 2. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 2. We have a 2 now, so this can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be there, and the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 1 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Well, we solved it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it a solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow. So have a great and fantastic Tuesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.